Oh, Catnip. Catnip. Hiya, good-looking man. How are you? How are you? Yeah. That's a Catnip. What do you think? Watching cartoons, are you? Oh my gosh. Birdie. Birdie. What Birdie doing? What's Birdie doing? What's he doing, Christy? What's Christy doing? You coming in for a close-up? Hi. Hello, little man. Oh, big yawn there, Goldie. What are you up to? You gonna show everybody? They're watching birds on TV. Okay. Yeah, watching birds. Watching birds. Watching birdies. What are you doing, Christy? Huh? What's Christy doing? That's not Christy. Where's Christy? There's Christy. Acting silly. Yep, Tattoo's watching educational TV. He's so excited he almost fell. Talk about being into TV. What are you watching, Tattoo? What are you watching? Look at these guys. What are they doing? What are they doing? And then look at this one. What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Here he is. Here's my movie star. Here he is. Try some of this, baby. Try some of this. What's that? Come here. What's that? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my goodness. Look at him. Look at him trying to get up to the TV. Oh, who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Uh-oh, somebody found the catnip. Somebody found the catnip. Coochie, 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 coochie. What are you doing, Tigger 2? Tigger 2. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Birdie. Hi, Birdie. Okay. Alright. That's enough, guys, I guess. That's enough. Stop, don't be so rough. Don't be so rough.